Hey everybody. So if you've been watching my content, you might know that this Five Below keyboard has been my keyboard for a little bit. Really good for $5. So if you're on a budget, highly recommend. But after some time, pieces have broken or made noises that have got on my nerves that I broke it myself. Still works, but now like the space bar is super jiggly and like here. You hit it on the edges, and it's lost that click. But I bought a new one. It is a Razer, so it'll match my Razer mouse. Although it's green, hopefully you can change the colors. Otherwise, it's gonna be a green mouse, a green keyboard, a red mouse, RGB lights everywhere. It'll look pretty weird, but also kind of blend in multiple colors. Eventually, like if you have a bunch of normal colors, like just one color, blue, red, green over here, eventually it'll start to give in with that RGB vibe because you got so many of these just plain colors, but they're all different. So, this is not a sponsor. I'm definitely probably never gonna get a sponsor, but go check out Elo cups. These thermoses are amazing. I mean, it just says it's a cup, but I left this in a hot car and it was still cold. I love this thing. It's made me drink more water. So definitely go check out an Elo bottle. No, this is not a sponsor. I'll say it again. I just really like their water bottles. But yeah. That's about all I wanted to say, but also I want to say more because I haven't pushed out a video in a few days. Well, if I do turn on comments, hopefully I do, go down and leave a comment saying what you'd like to see as my background. Because right now I don't have much of a very good background. It's not even a background. But I've changed my setup a little bit. Looks a lot better. It's definitely not going to be my setup forever, but it looks a lot better than it did. And also gives me a lot more space to do activities and just do stuff in my room. But, yeah. That's about it. I seriously I can't think of anything else that I could say. I mean, piano in the background, headphones, basket, but see y'all later and peace.